माननीय सदस्य कालीपद सरेन जी।
For giving me the opportunity to speak on an important issue of my constituency in this August House. I would also thank my people of JHARGRAM constituency. Madam, people of my constituency, JHARGRAM, popularly known as Jungle Mahal in West Bengal, has a long pending demand for laying down of new railway line between JHARGRAM and Baripada. During the past Lok Sabha elections campaign, leaders of a national political party gave many assurances to the people of Jungle Mahal, JHARGRAM, and one such assurance was the JHARGRAM Gopiballabpur Baripada railway link, but till today, no step has been taken to fulfill their assurance. Madam, in fact, there is no direct railway connectivity between JHARGRAM and Baripada and between JHARGRAM and Bandwan of Purulia district in my constituency. Therefore, I would urge upon the central government and the Ministry of Railways to take up this railway project and construct the new railway line between Bandwan and Baripada via Jhilimili, JHARGRAM, Gopiballabpur in my constituency. Thank you.